How to request data on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to request data on Discord easy and fast. So first thing that you should do, go to Discord, and now this is the home page as you can see right here. All what you have to do is go down and click on this option. After you click on this option, it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options, so all what you have to do is go down until you find the privacy and safety option, and here is it. Now click on it and it will take you to this page. Now right here, all what you have to do to request data is go down until you find the request data option, and that's it. In the down here, click on it and you will be requested data. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful, and thank you so much.